Right. So this message is your iPad basically telling you the battery is getting too low to safely share or process video. And that's quite important. When you're exporting or sharing a clip, the device is working quite hard in the background. And if the battery drops too far, it can interrupt the process or even corrupt the file. And by the way, if you're getting some useful information from this, please do subscribe. It really helps the channel. The simple fix is to plug it into a power source before you continue. But here's something worth knowing. Even when it's plugged in, you might notice the battery percentage barely goes up or doesn't seem to move at all. That's because the iPad is using quite a bit of power while it's working. So you're almost balancing what's going in with what's being used. So, in real terms, it can take quite a while to build up a bit of charge, especially during editing or exporting. If you can, pause for a few minutes and let it charge without heavy use, just to give yourself some headroom. And if you're working away from home, it's always worth carrying a charging cable or a small power bank. Keeping the battery topped up like this helps avoid failed exports and losing your work. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thanks for watching.